Hello everybody, welcome to I Like Cruise Ships, the YouTube channel. Here we are on board Carnival Horizon. We're going to have a look at one of the cabins here, one of the family harbour cabins. This is deck 2 aft port side. So this is 2414. Now this is actually quite close to the family harbour. We'll actually just point that out right there. So you have access to the family harbour, of course, and it's right next to the cabin. So we'll kind of just go backwards and we'll check out the cabin. Let's come in and have a look. So this is kind of a cool setup at the moment, so you can actually get a bit of an idea of the family harbour kind of setup. So what we'll do is we'll shut the door behind us for a second.
You didn't get me.
So you can actually see here, you've got the wardrobe area as you first come in. So you've got a big hanging rail right there, there's the mirror, there's a couple of little hooks. This might be a little bit awkward to get the video of the space. So we've got shelving on one side. And I'm pretty sure that's repeated, yeah. So it's basically a big double shelf as it opens. And then you have, oh, I should have come in the other way. So you've got more shelving, so you've got shelving everywhere. And then, oh, there's your safe and drawers. So I walk in these rooms, I don't look at them before I come in. So you've got lots of space to hang on this rail right here, and that's your family harbour robes. So let's have a look as we walk in here. So there's, oops, that's the lights on. So this is the kind of the kids area, which is a kind of a big sofa with another television. So this bottom one could be the bed, of course. And then you've got the upper Pullman bed, which would come down via the attachment right there. So there's little side lamps as well, so when the bed converts. And then there's this running track, which allows the area to be closed off, if you like. And then, so this is kind of neat because you've got the big family bed right here. The bed looks huge, by the way, especially the way it's sort of partitioned with the curtains on either side. So you've got the, basically the curtains for the windows. If I just walk backwards a little here, you'll see how big this cabin looks. So this actually even has a baby bed in here. So there is a lot of space. So we'll see right here, that's the drawer. And then it's just a bit awkward, you can see the fridge right there. Then you have the plugs on the cabin. They're a little bit hidden by the glasses, but they're right there. Nice big TV. So this is a connecting room as well. So you'll see here, that's the door to the connecting cabin. So you need to open your door, and then the other cabin needs to open their door from the opposite side. So let's have a look outside here. So you've actually got huge window right here as well, and we'll come out to the balcony, take a look. So you've actually got, almost call this an extended balcony, I'm not sure what they call it, but you've got 4 chairs and you've got 2 actually recessed views here. I don't know what they call this name of this balcony, but I hope the video looks a little bit shaky. I hope the video is okay. My hand is not shaky, but the video looks shaky. I'm sorry. It's very strange. Alright, let's come back in. And we might pause right there.
It's for your blog, Russell?
Yeah, for my YouTube channel. Welcome back, everybody. We've fixed the camera. It was a bit jittery, but now it's good. So we can actually see the cabin steward working here 3 times the speed. He is running around like a madman. They have a very short turnaround time in New York. So we'll have a look at the second bathroom. They call this the second bathroom, right? Okay, I'm getting confirmation. So you got the sink and then the shower. So this is kind of cool if you've got obviously multiple people in here. So you can have a shower or use the tub at the same time. Don't worry, your cabin steward's to the rescue. He's gonna sort out your room and make everything amazing. And then you've got the bathroom right here. Yeah, you'll see there the lots of shelf space. And then you got the, again, the second shower there. Shower gel and shampoo. Remember, no conditioner. Always remember, no conditioner. Okay, keep that in mind. Alright, and we'll swing back around. So I kind of like this room. It's nice and spacious. There's tons of room with this like sofa area. Little second TV. And we'll come back and have one last look at the bed here. So I hope you've liked this walk around of one of the family harbour cabins. I think this might be a suite, but I always say suite and it's not a suite, and people correct me. You're welcome to put in the comments what you think the room is. And if you haven't subscribed to I Like Cruise Ships, the YouTube channel, click subscribe, and you'll be able to be notified of new videos if you click the bell. And thumbs ups are always good. Lets us know we're doing a good job of the videos. Thanks, everybody. Have a nice day. Bye.